Here are 10 notable aircraft crash landings where pilots showcased remarkable skill and courage, leading to minimized casualties or impressive outcomes. 1. U.S. Airways Flight 1549, 2009. Known as the Miracle on the Hudson, Captain Chesley Sully Sullenberger safely ditched an Airbus A320 in the Hudson River after both engines were disabled by a bird strike. All 155 people on board survived. 2. British Airways Flight 38, 2008. A Boeing 777 suffered engine failure on final approach to Heathrow Airport due to fuel flow issues. The pilots managed to land just short of the runway with no fatalities. 3. Air Canada Flight 143, 1983. Nicknamed the Gimli glider, this Boeing 767 ran out of fuel mid-flight due to a metric conversion error. Pilots glided the aircraft to a safe landing on an old airstrip. 4. TACA Flight 110, 1988. A Boeing 737 lost power in both engines during a storm. The crew successfully landed on a levee near New Orleans without casualties. 5. LOT Polish Airlines Flight 16, 2011. A Boeing 767 experienced landing gear failure, forcing the pilots to execute a belly landing in Warsaw. Everyone on board survived. 6. United Airlines Flight 232, 1989. A DC-10 lost all hydraulic systems after an engine failure. The crew managed a semi-controlled crash landing in Sioux City, Iowa, saving 185 of the 296 passengers. 7. Ethiopian Airlines Flight 961, 1996. Hijackers forced this Boeing 767 to crash land in the ocean near the Comoros Islands after running out of fuel. Despite the situation, 50 of the 175 on board survived. 8. Garuda Indonesia Flight 421, 2002. A Boeing 737 suffered dual engine failure during a storm and landed in a river in Java, Indonesia. Most passengers survived. 9. Southwest Airlines Flight 345, 2013. A Boeing 737's nose gear collapsed upon landing at New York's LaGuardia Airport. Despite the rough landing, there were no serious injuries. 10. FedEx Flight 705, 1994. During an attempted hijacking, the pilots of this DC-10 managed to subdue the attacker and perform an emergency landing despite severe injuries and significant damage to the aircraft. These incidents highlight the importance of training, quick thinking and collaboration in ensuring safety even in critical situations.